How to change default language for Google Voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on keyboard, click on Google Voice Typing. After click on Google Voice Typing, click on language. If you want to change language of Google Voice Typing, so you will change Google Voice Typing from here. After change language, click on save and you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change default language for Google Voice Typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.